Basic English conversation for kids.
Hello, I'm your friend, Bobo. I'll help you practice English conversation. Please follow my directions. Thank you! What are you afraid of? Words. After you listen to each word, say the word. Afraid. Cockroach. Bug. Gross. Conversation.
What are you afraid of?
I am afraid of cockroaches.
It is just a small bug. I am not afraid of cockroaches.
But they are gross. What are you afraid of?
I am afraid of tigers.
I am not afraid of them.
No way! Tigers eat other animals.
But we don't see tigers in our town. So it won't eat me.
You are right.
Practice. Listen to each sentence and repeat. Your conversation will get better.
What are you afraid of?
I am afraid of cockroaches.
It is just a small bug. I am not afraid of cockroaches.
But they are gross. What are you afraid of?
I am afraid of tigers.
I am not afraid of them.
No way! Tigers eat other animals.
But we don't see tigers in our town. So it won't eat me.
You are right.
Word quiz. afraid. Gross. Bug. Conversation quiz. What did Max say?
What are you afraid of?
That they are gross. I am afraid of cockroaches. What did Max say?
I am not afraid of cockroaches.
That they are gross. I am not afraid of them. What did Lily say? But we don't see tigers in our town, so it won't eat me.
You are right. It is just a small bug.
You did it. You were superstar.
Yay!
Goodbye.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more fun learning adventures. See you next time.